B garage elevators at the Orlando Health Hospital campus in Orlando, Florida. Got some KONE HydroMod DX elevators. Indicator's messed up. Here at 1.5.
Going down.
Back down to 1. Here's your cab view. The cabs have been renovated during the mod. They look really nice. These were originally OTIS Series 1s. They got a mod Series M2 by OTIS. And now these got KONE mods with new innovation and new motors.
Third floor.
703. Certificate capacity is 2,500. Hello.
How you doing?
Doing all right.
First floor.
Big bump.
Yep.
Things are pretty rough. Going up?
I'm going over here, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Desce. Mas você viu?
Ride the other car now. Unfortunately, these things are a little busy right now.
Fifth floor.
At least this one has a working indicator.
Going
There's your
down.
manpower elevator. And now we'll end at 1. Get a cab view of this elevator. It's just like the other one. Renovated cabs. Nice elevators though for a parking garage, but these did not run that great. It's your floor indicator. KONE logo, and these are your buttons. We're stopping on 3 again. Alright, show your certificate capacity is 2,500.
Going down.
Jest wami nieźle.
That's all for now. When we are gone? When we are gone? Okay.
First floor.
There you have it going, guys.
Thank you.
Going up.
You're welcome. Original door track. Alright. There goes, and that's it.